Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, let's briefly talk on the gold market. If you have read our weekly research, you should remember that the major concern, the major conclusion that we have made is that the Fed recent statement could bring the big shifts in the medium-term perspective from the gold market. Shortly speaking, it means that market could turn to the upside action immediately and could stop current retracement earlier that it was previously suggested by the normal development of the overall situation. So if we would suggest that no Fed comment have happened, so this probably should lead, following the logic of the picture that we have on the daily chart, it should lead to forming of the hand shoulder pattern. So this could become the left shoulder, head, 127 extension, that was also the butterfly here, moving to the necklines approximately 1193, that is also our major level, because this will be the trend line on the weekly chart that could be retested. That's very typical for the gold market, and then market could form some kind of the, I don't know, maybe hand shoulder, some ABCD action to 1175 or something of that sort. But right now we said that since Fed has given the first hint on the possible change on the Fed policy in the nearest months, this could bring real big adjustment in the sentiment on the market, and market also could drop out the previous retracement strategy, or let's call it in this manner, the previous retracement shape, and turn to something else. And our task here will be to watch for that and trying to catch the signs of this changing as soon as possible. As a result, we have turned to the 4-hour time frame chart and said that in general, guys, market stands in the 3-drive buy pattern. So this will be the first drive, the second, and the third. Third drive stands in the crossing of the 127 of the second and 1618 of the first, blue line and red line. Both of them drives takes the shape of the butterfly. This is very typical for the market. Also, this will be the weekly pivot, monthly pivot support one. But for us, the major point to watch what really will happen with this pattern, and the conclusion that we have made tells that if market will break the harmony of this 3-drive pattern, will stop to form it immediately and turn to some unreasonable action, irrational action from the point of view from this 3-drive pattern. So then it could become the first sign the situation is changing on the gold market, and gold market really could turn to the immediate upward continuation. And now you can see that situation here stands as not as simple as it was on the weekly research, because first we have taken a look at this butterfly. So you can see that that should be the left wing, and that could become the right wing. I have extended the shape of this butterfly because in fact it has the same major swing, and what will happen inside of this swing is not really very important. But take a look, market immediately, surprisingly, has turned to some upward action based on the tensions that we have right now in Armenia and Azerbaijan, the evolving of the Turkey and these tensions. So the situation is a bit that brings a bit more some demand on the gold, since gold market is the asset where investors put the money in the periods of the turmoil in the global politics and in such events. So as you can see today, we see the upward action on the gold market. Right now gold already has moved above the weekly pivot point and approaching to the monthly pivot point. Monthly pivot point is also weekly pivot resistance one. You do not have it and you do not see it, but it has the same level. It's approximately 1241.50 area, and this will be very close to the invalidation of this butterfly. So already, even now, this action it's a bit warning sign for the continuation of the normal retracement here. So this upward direction is a bit too early. It's logical to see it right from this point. When the third drive will be completed, market turns to forming of the right shoulder of the hand shoulders. That's normal action. But right now, as you can see, market has turned to the upward direction before it has completed this setup. Theoretically, guys, this butterfly and free drive is still valid because invalidation point will be right here. But in general, this upward direction already brings some doubts on the perspective of the free drive, makes us worry on this results of this possible free drive pattern, because it's right now, as you can see, is breaking this trend line, and it's really not really bad action to the upside. Still, guys, our invalidation point stands right here, because only if market will break through it, free drive will be cancelled, or let's say will fail. At the same time, guys, simultaneously market will break the monthly pivot point, and it will break the weekly pivot resistance one that also will point on new bull trend. So that will be not just a retracement inside of the bear trend, that will become the new bull trend. And this could become the first sign where we could say with some confidence that yes, probably something is changing on the gold market, and market really has chances to turn back to the upward direction here. That's why this is very important. Right now we're continuing to monitor what really will happen with this, but first signs that confirm our warnings, confirm our some suspicions that we have announced in our weekly research now are starting to appear. So let's see what we will get.